Hi, I'm Katina. If you're planning on towing a trailer with your Honda Fit, you're going to need trailer wiring. It's required by the law. Let's break down this install. You'll need the tools seen here to complete this installation. We're going to start in the cargo area by removing the flooring. Next, we're going to remove the scruff panel. Using an 8mm socket, we're going to remove 2 screws that are located at the tail lights. We're going to now remove the tail lights from both sides, unplug them, and set them to the side. We're going to go ahead and pop out this panel. Next, we're going to run our wiring through the paneling and outside the tail light grommet. Next, using my shears, we're going to cut a slit on the grommet. We're going to feed the wires through the slit and then push the grommet back into place. Now we're going to run our green wire to the passenger side. Now we're going to take our provided self-tapping screw and ground the white wire to the frame. We're going to be connecting our trailer wiring connectors to our black vehicle connectors. On the passenger side, we're going to be using the smaller black connector from the vehicle to connect to our trailer wiring. Now we're going to connect all of our plugs back onto our tail lights. With the provided power wire, we're going to go ahead and attach it to the tow harness power wire, and then we're going to run it through the vent on the driver's side of the vehicle. Using a heat shrink butt connector and butane torch, I'm going to connect the 2 power wires. Now that we're done with our wiring in the back of the vehicle, let's put the vehicle back together. Now we're going to run the power wire from the back of the vehicle towards the front of the vehicle, avoiding any moving parts or any hot areas. We went through the frame and found the brake line. We followed the brake line all the way to the front of the vehicle, all the way to the top of the engine. We're going to zip tie it here and here to avoid any hot areas on the engine compartment, and then we're going to attach it to our battery line. Using a 12mm socket, we're going to attach the inline fuse holder to the battery. This customer decided that they wanted their 4-flat wiring inside of their vehicle. For them to access it, they just need to lift their panel up and their 4-flat is going to be located inside. If you have any questions about the products seen in this video, or if you'd like to schedule an installation with a U-Haul Hitch Professional, visit us today at uhaulhitches.com.